Virgo. Welcome po sa Scorpio Sword Tarot. 16 to 31 January. Yeah, simula na naman ng bagong taon. Welcome fellow FW. Ingat po tayo. Tingnan natin, check natin. Virgos, January 16 to 31. What we need to know. Okay, game na tayo. Magkape-kape tayo, fellow OFW, fellow friends na nakikibaka everywhere in the world. Ingat tayo, Virgo. Hardworking people, Virgo, smart, ano pa ba? Mga very perfectionist people. Yeah, okay. Tower, yeah. Nice card. Scorpio, dealing with Scorpio. Interesting. Yan, nakatingin sa yung mata, oh. Be ready, sabi Virgo. Okay? This will be another busy and very powerful. Yeah? Alam mo yan, Virgo. Kakausapin ko si Virgo na three-dimensional. Alam niya yan. Alam niya yan kapag medyo masalimuot, kaya mong ano yan, kaya mong i-tame yung ganitong situation. Ready ka. Alam mo yung element ng Scorpio na sanay masaktan, sanay mapagod, sanay umiyak ng walang luha. Yeah? At kaya mo ring i-fake yung emotion mo. Yeah? I don't know bakit pumasok yun. Ituloy natin. Year of the Fire Horse 2026. A lot of major shift. Yeah? Okay. Long-term goal, take responsibility and new growth expansion. Yan yung full moon and new moon message. So tingnan natin, baka karugtong ito. This is big change. Yeah, always for the better. Yeah, yun ang gusto natin. So tingnan natin. And ano na to, hindi na to mapipigilan. Anything na yung universe na nag-decide, wala nang urungan, panindigan. 16 to 31 January, Virgo. Oops, hindi sa yan. Okay, may hangover. Tingnan natin. One card. Tingnan natin storyboard ni Virgo. Okay, lumitaw yon. Sakit ng ulo because of this tower. 5 of Swords. Again, superficial. Parang lumitaw na ito sa'yo last time. Okay, yun lang naman hinahanap mo independence. Baka inuulit ito yung yung preparation mo pero ito darating na sa I think continuation to last time. Sabi ko superficial, hindi mo naman kailangan problemahin pero alam mong laruin ito. Yung gusto mo lang naman yung independence mo. Ngayon, wala nang urungan kasi kung hindi ikaw ang magdedesisyon, ito yung tipong sa trabaho, mas madaling madaling maintindihan, commonality. Fellow OFW, naghanap ng trabaho, nakarating sa abroad. Ngayon, sumasakit ang ulo, nagkaroon ng relationship, there's nothing wrong. Maaring meron kang pamilya sa Pilipinas, typical story, nagka-in love ka, ka-office mate mo, sumakit ang ulo mo, gusto mo lang naman ng independence, bam, the universe ang magsasabi na rin, the tower, yung ginagawa mo is not something aligned to your higher purpose. Ngayon, nagsara yung kumpanya. Kailangan bumalik sa Pilipinas at makasama ulit yung asawa mong iniwan. Yan ang message ng ganitong senaryo. Okay? So, ano ang storyboard ng Virgo nasa harapan ko? Kasi yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, magbabago. Baka you ended up na gusto mo lang kumita ng pera kaya ka nag-abroad, broke ka pa. Yes? Yan ang possible. Yeah? Or i-reverse natin. Dumating yung opportunity, you grab it, sumakit ang ulo mo dahil sa malulungkot ka, natatakot ka na mag-open up sa'yo yung opportunity, dumating sa'yo, bam, you take advantage. Ngayon, namimitas ka na ng prutas. Why? You took advantage of that opportunity, yung shift and change na itinanim mo. You planted that, dumating sa yung opportunity, you got the independence, and you got the freedom. So, sino si Virgo na nasa harapan ko dun sa dalawang storyboard na yon? Yeah? Tignan natin. Tignan natin. Okay. This is a classic case ng ganong pong sitwasyon. That's how it is. Tower, big shift, karmic. Kasi i-correct niyan. Yan yung DPWH na nagnakaw, nagpapakita ng yaman, kayabangan, etc. Bam, the word shift, before nasa itaas ka ng wheel, ngayon nasa ilalim ka ng wheel, ipapasok ka na sa kulungan. That's how it works. Yung foundation mo nawala. Kaya sumakit ang ulo. Yung independence mo and freedom mo nawala. Binawi sa'yo. Kung ano yung ibinigay sa'yo, babawiin. Tower is Scorpio, which is death and rebirth. And it's a big shift to correct yung the past. Now, sabi ng new moon, take responsibility. Long-term goal po yan. Long-term goal. Plant the seed of intention, make a decision, and we take responsibility po. That's how we grow. At doon tayo magkakaroon ng opportunity. Yes? Okay. Ituloy po natin. Virgo, Virgo, Virgo. Virgo, Virgo. Yeah, okay. One blind spot. One blind spot. I like this type of reading. I like this type of reading. Virgo, Virgo, Virgo. Virgo, Virgo, Virgo. One card. Give me blind spot. Oh, ayusin ko lang yung camera. Yeah, okay. Blind spot, blind spot, blind spot. Blind spot. One card lang. Yeah, lumilipad. Fire horse, mabilis mag-isip, mabilis mag-desisyon. Oh, yes. Okay. So, ano pa yung gusto mo? Okay? So, i-erase ko yung isang negative side. Yeah? Hindi ito yung parang diskaya na makukulong. Makukulong ka sa power and money and abundance. So, mas gusto ko ito. Yes, mas gusto ko ito para sa Virgo. Again, ito yun na naman yung Virgo na masipag, masinop, maarte minsan, na mareklamo minsan, pero alam niya yung gusto niya kasi you're very independent. Ayaw mo ng kababawan. I think that's what your storyboard is all about. Five of Swords, ito yung mga social media, ano lang yan, kachipan yan. Okay? Ngayon, kung gusto mo, it's the type of your life na you want to pretend, go for it. Wala pong masama. Superficial. Pero itong Virgo na nasa harapan ko, hindi ka doon. Hindi yun ang category na binabaybay mo. Okay? Life, ano po, iba-iba tayo ng storyboard po. Okay? Because you're moving towards the sun. Always, yung setting ko is, you have the intention here, ano po iyon? And this is the progression of 16 to 31 of January. The sun, the most powerful card sa tarot, uulitin ko po para kung sirampla ka na, but that's where the abundance and the clarity and happiness and the ultimate, yes, that this is always the completion noong major arcana. So in sequence po siya. So that's the sun. After going through the full card and going all the stresses, this is what you're gonna achieve. January 16 to 31, Virgo, magpapakapi ka because you're gonna ended up with more money in your bank account. Yeah, that's the independence. You follow the rule. Virgo is good on that. Ano ko siya, dediretsuhin ko na siya being the earth sign. Alam niya yan. Alam mo yan. Okay, ituloy natin. Ngayon, ano yung tower moments na yon? Okay, one blind spot. One blind spot. Oh my, oh my, yes, okay. You have the sun here again. So, hindi ko na siguro itutuloy itong reading na ito. Okay. Ano pa yung dapat mong problemahin? So, I don't think na itong Virgo na nasa harapan ko, may fear ka. Okay. I don't think may fear ka dito. Alam mo itong darating. Okay. Kung hindi niyo pa po napapanood yung new moon and full moon reading, i-check niyo po. This is nice. Okay. So, especially at the beginning of the year, nagsisimula pa lang yung taon eh. This is where you're gonna reach to the top at saka dito ka dapat mag-ano. I tell you, this is where you're gonna save and invest and enjoy yung fruit of hard labor. Ngayon, and I do not know kung ano yung tower na pinanggalingan mo na this is painful. Okay, maaring inner work yan, nagbago ka na hindi ka na nag-addict, tumino-tino ka na, hindi ka na tatamad-tamad dati, tumigil ka na sa mga kalokohan. That's how it is. That's a change, inner work po yan na and you start to gain that respect na hinahanap mo. That's how it is. Wala ka dati before, superficial, okay na sa yung kababawan. Yes. Pero towards January, beginning of the year, alam mo yung vision mo. Alam mo yung storyboard mo. Yeah. Multiple decks po yung ginagamit ko. I want to validate kung ano. So, you have the sun here again. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Ano yung reason ng tower moments ni Virgo here? Saan ako kuha? Kuha ako dito. Ano yung tower moments? Okay. Meron ka bang fear dito? Okay. 6 of Wands. Kunin ko siya. Okay. That's victory also. Victory. Celebration. You planted something here. Very powerful. Okay. One blind spot. One blind spot. Siguro ikakat ko na itong reading ni Virgo na ito. This is a good timing in preparation for this beginning of the year. You know what to expect. Ngayon, depende po yan sa drawing board natin, yung storyline natin, iba-iba kasi tayo ng pinanggagalingan po. So, but you're gonna have that tower moment. Okay. Hindi sa'yo ito. Okay. Walang ako ng outcome. Ayun na yung outcome actually eh. You have that outcome. It's time for you to celebrate. Siguro I will not complicate it. I don't want to complicate, especially yung ganyan na tatlo. There's a validation and also there's that major arcana, Scorpio. Okay. But be prepared. Pero yung the good news here, yung pinaghirapan mo in the past, if you want that respect, if you want that honesty, if you want that winning moments, if you want that accolade, if you want that recognition, if you want that makapasa ka sa exam, yan, you're gonna have it. One more. I just want to get one more blind spot. Blind spot, blind spot, blind spot, blind spot, blind spot. Yeah, it's too good to be true. Walang po masama. That's how it is. I just want to get one blind spot lang. One. Virgo, one blind spot. Okay. Okay, may hangover. One more, one. Ilan yung binigay? Okay. Okay, dalawa. Kunin ko siya. Yeah, may tinapos ka na. Ano yung tinapos mo na yun? Yeah. Okay. Meron ka ng, may tinapos ka. Alam mo, ano itong tinapos mo na ito? Okay? Painful. Yeah? Painful to. Painful, pero alam, no choice ka. Ikaw kayo sinabi ko na yung universe na nag-decide na kailangang pumunta ka rin sa that direction because yun ang ano mo eh. Yun ang destiny. I will call it destiny. Para sa iyo ito. Nag-aral ka, nagsunog ka ng kilay, nangutang ka para magbayad sa eskwelahan mo. Ngayon, papasa ka na at magiging isang mahusay na doktor at abogado. These are the moments, okay? Yun yung tower moments mo. Yung settlement, again, noong pinagtatalunan ninyo sa diborsyo. So, makakuha mo na yung clarity at yung support. Yung mga nagnakaw sa'yo, makukulong na sila. You're gonna get it back. Yung mga, this is how it is. Yun po yung mga senaryo na yan. So, 6 of 1, it's a victory. Basta ano daw, Virgo, okay, earth sign, alam mo yung struktura. Yes? High priestess, in full circle, higher vibration, structure, yung black and white. Black at white lang. Parang ano yan, eskwelahan, everything is by the book. Okay? Don't go astray. Yan ang isang naano ko rito. Yeah? And this is also commitment. Yeah? This is huge. Merong ano dito, parang signing of contract. Okay? This is a signing of contract kasi parang kasal yan eh. Signing of contract. Ano po yan? Negosyo yan. Yes? Lahat naman ng kontrata, ano yan, it's commercial. May commercial yan. Commercial, ano po yan, element. Party A at Party B na tayo ay magpapakasal, susustentuhan mo ako, we follow things, so on and so forth. Bibili ka ng bahay, kontrata yan, magbabayad ako ng utang sa bangko. Employer yan, magsasign ako, pasusweldoy mo ako ng ganito, 8 oras sa isang araw ng trabaho, at mag-overtime ng walang bayad. Kontrata yan. Okay. Follow the contract at malaking kontrata ito. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung expansion pero meron kang masakit na pinagdaanan. And Virgo, 3 dimension, alam mo kung paano ma-achieve yung goal mo. 16 to 31, you're gonna have that celebration. So, hindi mo lang siguro dapat i-claim ito. You did hard work here. Knowing Virgo, alam mo ito. Yeah, that's the sun again. Okay. Independence, you have that. Money, yes, it's more than enough. More than enough. 2 suns here. But follow the book. Follow the rules. Para siguro wala kang sakit ng ulo. Para wala kang sakit ng ulo. And this is I call this karmic reward. This is a karmic reward to Virgo. Yeah? Okay. Moon Oracle. Last card. So, yeah, magkape-kape po tayo sa fellow OFW. Ingat. 16 to 31 January. One more card. Virgo. Binigay niya na ng baraha yung tusan eh. Wala na akong maidudugtong pa dyan. Dalawa pa. Double validation. But there's a painful ending. Yeah? Hindi ko po sugarcoat. May painful ending because of the 10 of Swords. Sabi dito, it is an important time to guard against being self-centered, over opinionated or pushy. Yeah? Okay. Kaya siguro nandito tong High Priestess. Follow the book. Meaning, A, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Hindi pwedeng 1 plus 2 equals 4. Yeah? Or ano pa ba? 1 plus 1 equals 2. Pwede rin maging 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1 equals 2. Tama po ba? Yung ganon. By the book pa rin siya. Medyo a little, go around. Yeah? Mga ganon. Yun ang ano ko palitan na pick up. Now, i-apply nyo po yan sa situation. It's a painful change, but yung universe na rin yung nagsabi na, Virgo, you deserve this karmic shift. This is karmic shift. This is, karma. Call it karma. And you deserve this. You deserve this. Yeah? Okay. So, magpapakapi si Virgo. 16 to 31 January po. So, yeah. So, Virgo, sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa reading. Salamat. See you again.